Hey guys, Keith and Jesse back again, ProNoobRC, doing an unboxing of a 3D printed B79 body from Frozen RC. They're over in Alberta, Canada. Patrick Fitchie, I'm hoping saying that right. You can find them on Facebook, Frozen RC. 3D prints, really cool bodies. This one is specifically printed for the TRX4. He does them for whichever style you want, or whatever chassis you want. And let's get into it. I know the last 3D printed body that I'm currently still working on is the MFab 5th Gen 4Runner. You never want to go too far with these pieces of paper, because later we're going to make sure there's nothing wrapped in. Just kind of open them all up and then I'll burn them. Recycle them. I have a shop to heat, so. Oh. So these are all your little finish parts: steering wheel, light buckets, looks like 8 pillars for the windows, other parts, looks like lens covers and lights. Yeah, a couple of parts there. It's stacked in here, so very nice, very nice. So it's a classic style B79 Bronco. Very standard print. These prints normally don't come with, the straightest lines and stuff like that, but that's where customizing, finishing it off comes in. Back half, I ordered this one with removable top. Just looks a lot better, in my opinion. This is, I know this is the preformed windshield. Now, he also sells these prints, so you can print them yourself. And he sells molds and stuff to give you the preform window. I just figured it'd be easier just to order everything off and done. I have 2 3D printers. Jesse has a 3D printer. But, yeah. So you have part of the hood. Also going to have hood hinges. Ah, that's what those pieces are, hood hinges. We have the opening hood and the removable cap. I ordered the full option kit.
That's nice.
So it comes with a really nice dash, beautiful piece. You can put LED lights in these 3 holes, and I believe he gives you a cutout in here, sticker sheet with these in here, or he might have just emailed it to me. I have a printer. They're like 50 bucks, so, and you can buy sticker sheets to print your own nowadays. So that's a nice piece. That would be a body mount for a TRX4. Very nice. Yeah, very nice little piece. Oh, the front grille. The piece de resistance. So there we go. It's going to take... amazing what just hitting this with a file does, and just knock down those ribs a little bit. A little bit of putty. Just take... quite a bit of cleaning up, but that's when you want a custom body, you want to be different. It takes a lot of work. We're going to keep the windshield wrapped for now. Just set him to the side. This is probably the rear bumper body mount. Nope, radiator.
Nice.
Once again, full option kit, so every option that he has for the truck we ordered with it. Sides removable cap, I'm guessing. Yep. So there's your sides. One thing he does, which I like, is he puts alignment pins. A lot of people don't. It's really tough to get everything lined up. He puts alignment pins in so you can just stick it together, glue it, be done. You don't have to fight with it and pull your hair out. And I know one thing, the MFab 4Runner was really nice, but do you have any alignment tabs when you're trying to put together? And it was far more pieces than this kit. A bumper. I'm not sure if it's front or rear. To me, that looks like a rear. Well, that's a rear bumper, so that must be the front one, definitely. Oh, no.
Front of the hood?
Front of the hood, sorry. Sorry, guys. Looking at that funny. Could be rear bumper, but no, that's definitely front of the hood. Yeah. So these things done right, you're looking at hundreds of hours of sanding and finishing and puttying, and there's your rear bumper. You know, things like these ribs here, we're going to leave just so it gives it like a little step look at that, but yeah, drop that down. We're going to be sitting on there with files and sanding blocks for many hours. He's already added a smoothing layer on there for me already or something. He's got a clear coat of something on there. Could be something from his printer. He uses a lot bigger, different printer than Jesse and I use. For a tailgate, key lock, make that detail pop real nice. I'll probably just trim that down, make a new one that sits right over top of that. Really nice. It still looks good, but I like to be different than everybody, so. Now these would be also the add-on door panels. These are from another 3D designer, but he lists them and he sells them. I guess another guy designed them, but he makes them to sell. This is both left and right. Really nice little door handle, armrest, or padding. We'll give that a nice proper baby shit brown interior paint job. It's really, that pattern only really looks good in the real colors, the brown on brown. Yeah, another TRX4 body mounts. Very nice. I like how they bolt right in, mount right to your body, no messing around. There's that smoothing stuff again, so that's cool. I like when printers don't just print it out and send it out. I've bought a few bodies before that didn't make it anywhere. Yeah, this apparently appears to be part of that other mount. Probably screws into that to attach your body to the front holes there. Here's your rear deck roof. Very nice. Alignment pins again, very nice. Alignment pins on the front edge, so when you have the truck off, you can actually leave the pins to click it in, put magnets to the back to lock that down. So, but these are really nice. That piece is going to take barely nothing to finish. So yeah, definitely nice. We wanted to do the unboxing on this right now. We're going to finish off one other build we're working on right now. Let me get to this, but so that's what we're looking at. Beautiful old classic Ford. I mean Ford. And yeah, he's gonna look good. The taillight lenses and stuff, I see he's got 3D printed ones. I'm gonna probably just recut them out of clear plastic Lexan and give them some fading techniques to make them look good. I know the 3D printed ones look good, but they're kind of a little too, how do you say, opaque. They're not translucent enough for my light. They don't stand out. So no problem there. That's just me being me again. So we'll get back to this build in about a week or two. we'll talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.